Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Driven Daily. Today I'm about to show you something that doesn't officially exist yet. Something imagined behind closed doors, whispered about in design studios and luxury travel circles. This is my vision of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece designed for those who want absolute freedom without ever giving up refinement, power, or presence. Picture this motorhome gliding silently down the highway, sculpted like a futuristic yacht on wheels, unmistakably Mercedes from every angle. The front fascia carries a bold illuminated star, seamlessly integrated into a smooth digital grille that adapts its lighting based on driving mode and surroundings. This isn't just transportation, this is a statement. The body lines are fluid and aerodynamic, designed to reduce drag while enhancing elegance, and the panoramic windshield curves overhead, giving the driver a commanding, cinematic view of the road ahead. As you step inside, the door opens wide with a soft, motorized glide, revealing an interior that feels more like a private jet than an RV. The floor is finished in sustainable hardwood, warm underfoot, while ambient lighting flows subtly along the walls, changing tones throughout the day. Mercedes' attention to detail is everywhere, from the stitched leather panels to brushed aluminum accents that feel cool and precise to the touch. The cockpit is fully digital, featuring a sweeping hyperscreen that stretches across the dashboard, combining navigation, vehicle data, and smart home controls into one seamless interface. With a simple voice command, you can adjust suspension height, interior climate zones, lighting moods, or even check energy usage. This motorhome is designed to think ahead, learning your habits, your routes, and your preferences, turning long journeys into effortless experiences. Move deeper inside, and the living space opens up with expandable slide-outs that transform the interior into a luxury lounge. Plush modular seating wraps around a floating table, perfect for dining, working, or simply watching the landscape roll by through massive tinted windows. At night, the space transforms into an entertainment hub, complete with a hidden 4K projection system and immersive surround sound tuned by Mercedes' audio engineers. The kitchen is compact yet elite, featuring induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, and concealed storage that maximizes every inch of space. Every cabinet closes with a soft click. Every surface feels deliberate. This is where form and function meet without compromise. Towards the rear, the bedroom offers a sanctuary of calm. A king-size bed floats against a textured wall, surrounded by soft lighting and acoustic insulation that blocks out the outside world. The bathroom rivals high-end hotels with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and intelligent water recycling technology designed for extended off-grid living. Underneath it all, this 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is powered by a next-generation hybrid electric drivetrain, delivering smooth, quiet performance with impressive range. Solar panels integrated into the roof feed advanced battery systems, allowing days of independent travel without plugging in. Adaptive air suspension ensures a cloud-like ride, whether cruising highways or navigating remote roads. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a vision of how luxury travel could look in the near future. A private retreat that moves with you, built for explorers who demand excellence everywhere they go. If this is what the future holds, then the open road has never looked more exciting. If you enjoyed this concept, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because here on Driven Daily, we don't just follow the future, we drive it.